Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Nicole, and here on Wee Mama I do lots of motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning and organisational kind of videos. So if you like that kind of thing, I would love it if you could stick around and subscribe. Oh, sorry, I'm 32 weeks pregnant and I'm really out of breath. I can't do anything without having to take deep breaths. Anyway, we're going to another campsite right now. It's only down the road from us. Again, it's probably about half an hour away, and it's called Cotswolds Farm Park. We've never been before, but it is obviously just a farm. Now all the outdoor areas are open, and so are playgrounds and things. So we just thought it would be fab to take our little boy Dids there. We are just waiting for my husband to arrive back from work. It's already 6:30, so he was supposed to be here at 5:30. So yeah, we're still waiting for him, aren't we? Hello? Hello? You excited to go camping? He was so good last week. Obviously the last time that we took him, he was only 6 months old, so now he's 19 months, so it was a little bit trickier, but it was still great fun nonetheless. You're such a monkey. So yeah, I've just got some, I think Matt already packed up the car. He did that last night. We've still got some odds and ends in here ready to go. Matt's going to come in, shower and change. We're literally going to chuck the stuff in the car, chuck the baby in the car, go in and setting up. So hopefully it's going to be quite smooth. I'm going to go rescue my toddler from the kitchen, and I'll see you when we arrive at the campsite. Bye. What is it? Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, tweet. Sure.
Watch as the moonlight creeps
What is it?
I wanna feel the way you do. Remember the summer? We chase the morning light. We ran for hours. You were always on my mind. Tried to make it out alive, but we let it slip away.
Oh my
We only
goodness.
had a second shot. We'd find another way. We could do it all over.
Bye.
You would get the best of me. Could be forever. I would never let you leave. It's not too late to make it as we planned. 'Cause we still got a shot in the dark. You and I.
Is it good, Bobo?
Watch as the moonlight leaves us in the dark. It's all so clear now. It takes me back to the start. Remember the summer?
Wow. Titi.
Always on my mind. We try to make it out alive, but we let it slip away. If we only had a second shot, we'd find another way. You get the best of me, could be forever. I would never let you leave. It's not too late to make it as we planned. 'Cause we still got a shot in the dark. We could do it all over. You would get the best of me, could be forever. I would never let you leave. It's not too late to make it as we planned.
Oh,
'Cause we
bless you.
still got a shot in the dark. Still got a shot in the dark. You and I.
Can I now? Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Is it nice? Yum, yum. Sing very nice. Kiss, kiss.
You walked into the room. I couldn't keep my eyes off of you. Was it make believe, or was it a dream? I've been waiting all my life. Feels like I've struck a gold mine with your hand in mine. Our love came alive. We've still got the rest of our lives. The rest of our lives.
Smell the machine.